1.8-liter 16-valve single overhead cam iVTEC 4-cylinder engine with real-time all-wheel drive, proximity key entry system with push-button start, heated front seats, integrated roof rails, leather trim seating surfaces, 60/40 second row magic seats, and both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, let's take a closer look at this touring trim level. The HR-V makes a bold statement with its sharp lines and sleek body. The touring trim stands out with its gloss black lower garnish, a honeycomb pattern grille, and these two-tone black 17-inch sport wheels. The integrated roof rails allow you to easily mount a roof rack to carry your skis, bikes, or kayaks for whatever the activity. Helping you see and be seen are these LED daytime running lights, LED brake lights, LED headlights with auto high beams, auto on and off, fog lights, and mirror-integrated LED turn indicators. Powering this HR-V Touring is a 1.8-liter iVTEC 4-cylinder engine, making 141 horsepower and 127 pounds-per-foot of torque. The CVT transmission combined with Honda's EcoAssist system is designed to keep your ride as efficient as it is smooth. The HR-V's real-time all-wheel drive keeps your confidence levels high in practically any condition. Fuel economy ratings come in at an impressive 8.5 liters per 100 kilometers city and highway combined. Giving you confidence behind the wheel is the Honda Sensing suite of driver assistive features, including adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow, collision mitigation braking system, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, road departure mitigation, Honda Lane Watch blind spot display. The sleek and sporty design continues to the rear with this body-colored roofline spoiler, shark fin antenna, and sporty exhaust finisher. Now open the tailgate, and you'll find a generous amount of cargo space, along with Honda's Magic Seat 60/40 split second row, which helps create room for passengers and cargo of all kinds with 4 unique configurations: tall mode, long mode, utility mode, and split mode. Inside, you'll notice how roomy the HR-V is, with lots of head and leg room. The dashboard is sleek, well laid out, and easy to understand. The one-touch power moonroof lets in lots of natural light. You can also choose to open it up or tilt it up. For the driver, there's a 6-way adjustable seat, and both the driver's seat and front passenger seats are heated for those colder Canadian days. Speaking of which, you also have dual-zone automatic climate control plus speed-sensing variable intermittent wipers. Go off the map but stay connected with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The display audio system with Honda Link is the center of entertainment for the HR-V. From your podcast to playlists to audiobooks, your entertainment is along for the ride. The 180-watt audio system with 6 speakers fills your HR-V with great acoustics. The proximity key entry system with push-button start makes getting on the road even easier. The HR-V also comes standard with a multi-angle rear-view camera with dynamic guidelines. From front to back, the versatile HR-V Touring has the utility and features to help keep everyone on board comfortable, connected, in control, and happy.